Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cooking show. For this video, magluluto ako ng lumpia. So this is the vegetable version of lumpia. We call it lumpiang gulay or vegetable lumpia. So these are the ingredients. So we have the oil, the pepper, the chili powder, the salt, then the soy sauce. This is sugar for the sauce later, the vinegar for the sauce later. Of course, we have here the lumpia wrapper. You can find this in the public market. So dapat yung piliin nyo yung bago, yung mainit-init pa, so that we could have a soft texture of our wrapper. If you cannot find this in the public market, you can go to the grocery stores. There are some available frozen wrappers in there, but I prefer the fresh one. We have here sayote, cubes. Gusto ko yung cubes kasi para hindi masyadong sagabal while you are eating, and also while you are wrapping, madali lang siya kapag naka-cubes. Then this is Baguio beans. Then we have here onions and garlic. Etong onions and garlic, 3/4 of this is for the gisa, and the remaining part is for the sauce. So this is chili green. So this will be intended for our sauce later. Then pampalasa, you have here chicken broth cube. Then of course, meron akong sweet potato, or this is kamote. Why I'm including this one? Kasi ito yung nagbibigay ng tamis sa ating lumpia. So this will give a sweet flavor in our lumpia. And lastly, we have the carrots. Okay guys, so I have already here now the big pan. So it is important that we need to see to it that this is super hot before we put the oil, para okay yung paggisa natin ng mga gulay. Okay, put the cubes. Okay guys, so I will put first the sweet potato because this is hard. Okay guys, so as you can notice, the potato is now changing in color, so this is now the time to put some other vegetables. So I will start with the carrots and sayote. So sometimes you need to play with your vegetables because it will give you a beautiful color like this one. Okay guys, in some other lumpia, especially the vegetable lumpia, they put some cabbage. So it is still okay, but I think I have enough ingredients for my vegetable lumpia, and I decided not to include the cabbage. It is now time to season this one. I will put some soy sauce, then some white pepper. So if you want spicy, you can add chili powder, but my chili powder will be intended for my sauce later. we don't need to fully cook this one because we need to still roll this in the lumpia wrapper and fry. We will drain this further in order to eliminate the liquid in here. So after this, we will start rolling our lumpia. Okay guys, so this is now our lumpia. So after 30 minutes, I finished wrapping all the fillings inside this wrapper. Then you can store this in the refrigerator, and if you want to eat some lumpia for your meal or merenda, you can just fry it. So it is important to not overcrowd our pan. Once the pan is overcrowded, the tendency is the temperature will be lowered. So the cooking is not that satisfying. Okay guys, so we will be trying now this lumpia. So this is the sauce. So this is vinegar based. And I will grab a piece of lumpia, then dip this to the sauce, then eat. You can also eat lumpia with rice, and it's better with rice, and you can have ketchup as your substitute for vinegar. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for notification. If you have comment, suggestions, or recommendations, you may write in the comment section below. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.